I know that you normally create your presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint. In this video, I want to share with you how you can create a fantastic presentation using Canva. Without wasting much of your time, let me take you to Canva. So once you get to Canva, the next thing you are going to do is to click on presentation here. Then you allow it to load. From here, you will see different presentation templates you can use. Why some of them are for pro accounts, there are a lot of good ones that you can also use for free. For example, let me just choose one from here. I'll select this. Then from here, I will now customize it so that it will appear to what I want to use it for. What we intend to create here is how to grow a con. So I will highlight and paste my topic. If it is too big, you can highlight again and reduce the size. Let me say 70, then press enter. So I have just reduced the size. You can go on to add your logo here or change the text here. You can as well tweak other things here. For example, here that it says presented to, you can write the name of your audience. Here, I just wrote livestock farmers. Assuming you want to teach livestock farmers how to do crop farming, you can as well write your own name here, presented by. If you like, you put the dates. Let's assume that I'm done creating the first slide. So if I want another slide, I'll just click on this plus button here. So I now have a blank slide from Canva. Again, I can also select a template from here. The design of these templates here are related to what I am doing. So let me say I want this. I'll just click to add it. I'll then add the next text. After entering my heading, I'll also go on to write the bullet points. For example, let me use this as my points. You can increase the fonts or adjust the font size. The next thing you will do is to change this image here. Remember, we are talking about corn cultivation. So I will come to this element and then search for corn. Press enter. Remember that if you don't have pro accounts, you may not be able to use some of these. So let us look for anyone that is free, something like this one. You can as well upload from a different source. So let me delete this one and replace it with this. If you want to upload from a different source, you just need to click on this upload button here. Then you select from your computer. So when you are done designing this particular slide, you can add another slide like we have done before. You just continue like that until you complete the entire slide. Remember, you will need to change this information so that it will suit your needs. I don't want to continue to change them one by one so that this video will not be too long. I believe that you can be able to do it. Once you are through, you can present it. All you will need to do is to come to this button that says present. So from here, you can see that we'll have different options. We'll have present full screen, presenter view, present and record. Then we also have autoplay. Let me use the present full screen option so that you see how it looks like. I'll then click on this button, present. So once you click on the mouse button, it will move to the next page. That is your next slide. And if you click again, it will also move to the final page. You remember we're just using 3 pages or 3 slides rather. So what I will do is to right click on the screen and click on exit full screen. Now the next thing we'll need to learn is to add animation to each of these slides. For example, if I wanted to animate during the transition from slide 1 to slide 2, what I will do is I will come to this slide 1. You will see a 3 dots here. You click on it, then click on add transition. From here, you see different types of transition. This one is dissolve, slide, circle wipe, color wipe, and a whole lot of things. You can just choose anyone based on your desire. So let me just choose this. Then I'll come to this one, also add transition, then choose a different transition. So if we now present it again, we are going to see different transitions. So we'll be seeing the animation. If you like, you can also choose to animate different objects. That is text and objects that you have on your slide. You can animate them. For example, if I click on this text now, I can come to this place, wipe, and choose different animation style of my choice. Let's assume I want this. I will just click on it. You can see that, right? Let me also do it with this first one. Just click on the text. From here, you will see wipe. Then you choose your animation style. Anyone that suits your needs. Remember that when teaching, you don't use too much of animation so that you don't distract your viewers or your listeners. Just use minor stuff that will be engaging and not to distract them. You may also want to add a background color to this. All you will need to do is to click here and then click here for background color. You can get a similar color here, or you choose a different color from here. Let me choose this or this, depending on your choice. So this is how to create a presentation in Canva. Remember that I have a video that teaches how to create an ebook with Canva. I will put the link in the description box below. And finally, you may want to share this presentation as a PDF. If you want to do that, all you need to do is to click here and then click on download, choose PDF here. We are using standard, and then click on download. We'll have just 3 pages. Once you click on download, your PDF will start to download, as you can see here. So at the end of the download, you can share it through email, WhatsApp, or any other communication channel. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Use the comment section if you have any question. Until next time, keep learning.